Okay, the next problem says in a genetics experiment you are giving two vials with a total of 55 fruit flies. So one vial has 15 more fruit flies than the other vial. So how many fruit flies are in each vial? Now again, we're given two vials. It says it in our information that's given. So I'm going to define two variables again, and I'm going to say let x equal the number of flies in the first vial, and then I'll say let y equal the number of flies in the second vial. Okay? So now I have my two variables defined. But if we read a little further in here, one vial has 15 more fruit flies than the other vial. So what I'll say is y is equal to x plus 15. Okay, because one vial has 15 more fruit flies than the other, so I'm going to just say arbitrarily that it's x. It could be y, and you could use that and solve for y instead of solving for x. It really doesn't matter. I'm just choosing x because I like x better. So y is equal to x plus 15. So now we have what we need to basically solve the whole problem. And that is that if we were saying x plus y is equal to 55, right? Because we have a total of 55 fruit flies, that's what we're given, so x plus y is going to equal 55. So the sum of the two vials equals 55. Now we can substitute for y, x plus 15. So this is x plus 15 is equal to 55, right? Now we can just substitute, we could just simplify this a little bit, so it's 2x plus 15 is equal to 55. Now we can subtract 15, so subtract 15 from both sides, and that gives us 2x is equal to 40. Okay, so 2x is equal to 40, we simply divide by 2, x is equal to 20. Alright, so we have x is equal to 20. So that's the first vial here. We solved for x, and x is the number of flies in the first vial. Okay? Now, in order to solve for y, the number of flies in the second vial, we have this super convenient equation here, which basically just says y equals 20 plus 15, right? So y is simply equal to 35. So if I want to just sum this up, the first vial has 20 flies, and the second vial has 35 flies. Okay, 15 more than the first. Alright, so that would be how you'd solve the problem.